For this practice exercise, you're first going to start by opening up the photos that you need. So you're going to go to File, Open, navigate to your H drive, wherever your photos may be. So I'm going to go to my H drive. I'm going to open up 4 photos. If I'm not sure what these look like, I can go over to this menu, click this arrow, click large icons, and then I can choose from there. So I'm going to click 1, single click. I'm going to hold Shift, or sorry, Control, click the second image, hold Control again, click a third image, and fourth image, and then click Open. I'm also going to create a new file, so File, New. I'm going to change this to inches. I'm going to change this to 8 by 8, and my resolution will be 300. Double check that this is RGB, and click Create. And then I'm going to start pulling my images over. So I'm going to go to the Move tool, drag this over to Untitled number 1 because it's already moved. I'm going to go ahead and close that right now. Move over to the next one. Still on the Move tool, drag it over. Go back over here, close it because I'm done with it. Come back over to this one, move it, close it because I'm done with it. Come back over here and move it. And close it because I'm done with it. From here, I'm going to resize each of these images. So I'm going to do a Control T. I can't see my bounding box, so I'm going to go to Control 0. And I'm going to hold Shift and drag it until it looks like the way I want it to look. So for this, because it's a practice, I'm going to get rid of a bunch of extraneous stuff and just kind of zoom in. These don't have to be perfect. Again, this is just kind of trying out a technique. So once I know that I like it, I'll click Enter, and then I'm going to turn off the eye. Make sure that I have layer 3 selected, hold Control T, and resize. I need to make it a little bit bigger just so that the edges are there, and Enter. Turn off the eye, go to layer 2, hold Control T, hold Shift, and once I like it, Enter, turn off the eye, and go to layer 1, Control T. I actually kind of like how this looks. I'm not going to mess with it too much. Maybe actually make it a little bit bigger. And Enter. From here, I'm going to leave layer 1 as it is. Layer 2, I'm going to adjust the opacity to be able to see the layer underneath. So maybe about 50, but so I can kind of see this leaf and I can kind of see this other leaf. Then I'm going to turn on layer 3, make sure I'm selecting layer 3, and do the same thing. Adjust the opacity so I can kind of see all 3 leaves through it. Once I like it, turn on the last and final one, make sure I'm selecting it, and make sure I can see all 4 layers through it. I'm not going to be able to see them really well, but I can see this layer, I can see this leaf, I can see this leaf, and I can see this last and final leaf. Once I have this, and I like it, and it's good, I'm going to do File, Save As. I'm going to navigate to my H drive. If I don't have a new folder, I can make a new folder that is daily rituals, practice edits, or something like that. For this, I'm going to put it in my shooting assignments, daily rituals. I've already got a daily ritual practice edits, so this is going to be practice edits number 2. And save. click OK, and then go to Google Classroom and turn